Korean business tourism delegation visits Taxila. A 26-member Korean business tourism delegation led by Dr. Jong-hwan, the chair professor at Kyungnam University, a former Korean ambassador to Pakistan, here on Sunday visited the Taxila Museum and ancient sites. He said that in a bid to boost cultural interaction between Korea and Pakistan and to promote religious tourism, Korea was keen to establish a Buddhist study center in Pakistan. He said that Pakistan was a land of opportunities and South Korean firms could invest in diverse industrial sector. Korean can also benefit from skilled labor force of Pakistan, he added. Talking to newsmen, head of delegation Dr. Song highlighted that there were ample opportunities of cooperation in cultural and tourism sectors between the two countries, adding that sites like Taxila and Harappa can attract South Korean tourists. The delegation, comprising the representatives from academia, tourism and industry sector, is currently on week-long visit to Pakistan to explore the tourism and investment potential for Korean investors and business community. The delegation visited Taxila Museum, incident site of Dharmarajika and Sirkap, and took keen interest in the heritage of Pakistan.
Okay. Excellent. My question is this, that recently the Thai chief monk has visited Pakistan and stayed for 3 months on pilgrimage. Do you think that you will bring the Buddhist tourists from the Korea to Pakistan for their pilgrimage?
저 사람 물어보는 거는 한국불교 성지순례 하는 팀을 데리고 올 수 있느냐 그런 이야기죠.
데리고 오겠습니다. 제가 한국에 가서 많이 PR해가지고 이렇게 제가 본 있는 그대로를 갖다 한국에 와서 이 말씀을 드리고 많은 분들을 모시고 오겠습니다.
Okay. Understand. He will bring more Buddhist people for pilgrimage. Okay.
There's misconception about the situation of security situation in Pakistan. You are visiting in Pakistan? You have been in Pakistan for a long time. What do you think that in the present scenario, Pakistan would fetch more Buddhist religious tourists from Korea to Pakistan?
They are worried about your country's terrorist activities, but that is up to you, your country's problem. Understand what I mean? I don't persuade people.
But Excellency, you can see there are a lot of security and they feel very
scared. Oh yes. Many policemen and the Pakistani friends will protect us. If the Korean Buddhist people come here, they will again in same way.
So, do you want to establish industries in Pakistan from the Korean investors? Do you think in future? Do you plan to invest in industrial sector in Pakistan?
Many Korean companies here already. So anyway, they will more and more invest here. I think so.
Yeah, that's why we are here.
Purpose of your visit to the Pakistan?
Pakistan is linked with Korea about more than 1800 years ago. We link with the Buddhists, so we are coming here to explore the place. We are going to find more pilgrim or sightseeing, something like that.
This is the business community is also along with you. Would you try to invest in the tourism sector or religious tourism sector? What are the purpose of the trader community and the investors coming along with you?
The Pakistan is a land of the timeless potential, but we don't know yet Pakistan. So we are coming more and more Koreans to invest here. So the seeing is better than the thousand word. So they come here to find out what is Pakistan.
Pakistan is a peaceful country, and there are a lot of offer to the Buddhists, especially the Korean. So, what do you think what is the potential of the religious tourism between the Korea and Pakistan?
First of all, we have to establish some kind of institute. For example, the Professor Park is going to study, and we are discussing many Pakistani government officials. And first of all, we have to find what is Pakistan Buddhist relations, and then after that, we are going to more explain about Korean businessmen to invest here, and then make money, and then establish Buddhist temple or the institute.
You've been as an environment of the Korea and Pakistan for a long time. So, what do you think that there is what potential of the Korean investor to invest in the Pakistan, and in which fields?
So many things. I think first of all, we are lacking each other, Pakistan and Korea. So first of all, we have to find common things to make win-win. And among them, I think the constructing apartments, something like this, that's the first one to invest here. So I brought some businessmen here with me, and then they will find out in 2 days to the Blue World City, and somewhere.
Well, you talk about the Miss Park, and do we understand that you are trying to establish a Buddhist institute here in Pakistan?
Yes, and first of all, we have to make understand them, the Korean businessmen, and also the Buddhist people. They don't know about Pakistan's Buddhist legacy. So we have to explain. If you carry your article, we are going to send them what is this Pakistan's Buddhist legacy, and maybe Professor Park will do.
Okay. Thank you.